Take control of your professional inbox by seamlessly merging your Hostinger email with the familiar power of Gmail. First, let's log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the email section within your control panel here. You'll find the details for your professional email address. We need to access your email account's server settings. Look for the IMAP and SMTP server information. Make sure to note down the server addresses, port numbers, and your full Hostinger email address and password. These details are crucial for the next steps. Now switch over to your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is where we'll add your Hostinger email. Under the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click on Add a Mail Account. A new window will pop up. Enter your full Hostinger email address in the provided field and click Next. For the next step, choose the option that says Import Emails from My Other Account. P3. This is the most reliable method for bringing your Hostinger emails into Gmail. Now, you'll need to enter the credentials for your Hostinger email. Use your full Hostinger email address as the username, followed by your email password. Enter the IMAP server address and the corresponding IMAP port number you noted earlier from your Hostinger settings. It's highly recommended to check the box that says Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server. This ensures you still have a backup of your emails with Hostinger. Also, ensure always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mail is selected for security. Once all the information is correct, click Add Account. Gmail will then ask if you want to be able to send mail as your Hostinger address. Select Yes, I want to be able to send mail as your Hostinger email address and click Next. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear on outgoing emails and keep the treat as an alias box checked. Click Next Step. Here, you'll enter the SMTP server details for your Hostinger email. Again, use the correct server address and the SMTP port number. Ensure secured connection using TLS is selected. Finally, Gmail will send a verification code to your Hostinger email address. Check your Hostinger inbox for this code, or if you've already set up receiving, it might appear in your Gmail inbox. Enter this code into Gmail to confirm and complete the integration. And that's it. You've successfully integrated your Hostinger email with Gmail. Now you can manage all your professional communications from one central, convenient location.